Hello. Today we're going to be talking about finding the surface area using nets. So let's go get started with our I can statement. I can find the surface area of a three-dimensional figure using a net. On this side of the board I have a diagram with different shapes, 3D shapes, and the nets that they form. At any point during this presentation, you may go back to this slide and review the nets and the 3D shapes that they form. A net. A net is a two-dimensional pattern of a three-dimensional figure that can be folded to form the pattern. A real-life example of a net could be a cereal box, a cardboard box, or a Kleenex box. There are so many other different nets, but those are the most common ones that we will talk about and that you would know. So on the video, I want you to stop this video and click on this video to see different nets and them being unfolded and folded back into form and identify them as the 3D objects. To make this lesson more interactive, I put some online practice links, so click on the links, there's 4 of them, to practice matching nets with the correct three-dimensional figure. You may stop this video and practice the different links. I put 4 of them on here, you can choose which one you like the best. Now we're going to get into finding the surface area of the rectangular prism. So we have 2 different shapes here. We have a rectangle and a square. We have to apply the formulas to find the total surface area of each shape. So right here we have 10 by 10, so that makes it a square. So we will take 10 times 10, which equals 100. So in that box we'll fill in 100. And this one as well. On the next one we have 10 by 15. So that will be 10 times 15, which equals 150. So we put 150 in that box, 150 in that one. This is 10 by 15, so that will be 150 as well. And this one will be 10 by 15, so that's 150 as well. To find the total surface area, we must take the products and add them together. So we have 150 times 4, which equals 600. Then we have 100 times 2, which equals 200. We must add those together, 600 plus 200, and that will give us 800 inches squared. Also, you may use a calculator with this, but that's not mandatory. You see that I'm not using one, but it's definitely there to help you if you need one. So our total surface area for this one will be 800 inches squared. Let's go to the next one. It asks us to find the surface area of the cube below. A cube has square faces, so that means that all of the faces are equal. So if this part right here is 3 and this is 3, and it being a square, that means all the sides and the side lengths are equal, so it will be 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 9 in each box. To find the total surface area, we may add all of them together, or because we know that multiplication is repeated addition, we could just do 9 times 6, and that would give us 54 units squared. On the next one. On the next one, it asks us to find the surface area of the square pyramid. So we have to, a square pyramid is a square on the bottom and has triangular sides. So we must use both of those formulas. The area for a square is area equals side squared. So this is 6, that's 6. So we take 6 times 6, that gives us 36 for the square. Now we must apply the triangular formula. Since it's a square all the way around, the base is 6, the equals base times height divided by 2. So the base would be 6. The height is 12. So we would take 6 times 12, which is 72, divided by 2 equals 36. But we have 4 triangles, so we have to give each one of them 36. All right. So we have 36 5 times, so we multiply that together. 36 times 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. Put our 0, carry our 3. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 equals 18. So our total surface area of the square pyramid will be 180 centimeters squared. All right, the next 3 slides are the independent practice problems. So you'll do those problems and you'll click on the following slide and you'll get your answers. Please do it before you check the answers so you can know what you did wrong or if you got them correct. The Georgia test practice has 2 questions. The answers, like I discussed, they'll be right here on this slide. And the assignment part. Log on to the Google Classroom and click on the quizzes game link and for a surface area of nets. This is for a grade, so take your time and do your best. The extra resources that are available are the vocabulary video, the Chapter 9 Lesson 3 in your textbook, the Chapter 9 Lesson 4 in your textbook, or the 6th grade math teachers. And also, you may go back to the previous slides and click on the links that I put on there or the other video. Those are all resources to help you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact a 6th grade math teacher or myself. Thank you.